Babe,
Yeah.
guess what?
What?
It's Sagittarius season.
You know what that means.
Vlogdiac! Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. And welcome back to day 2 of Vlogdiac. So if y'all hear something in the background, the kids and the hubby, they're binge watching some anime, so pay that no mind. I gotta get my recording in when I can get it. So we're starting where we left off on day 1 of Vlogdiac, which was, let me show y'all. Alright, so we left off with us going to the furniture store looking for something for our new built-in wardrobe. That's not done. So Terrence is in the middle of building 2 built-in wardrobes, one for me on this side of the room and one for him on this side of the room. And we are looking for some nightstands to go at the bottom. For his wardrobe, he's going to have one on each side. For mine, I just need one right here. And the reason why we're going with a nightstand is because we still, once this open, we want it to look nice and neat. And, you know, we want to add a little oomph to it instead of just getting the bins and things like that from Target and Walmart or Loaves and those other little closet organizers. So if we figured if we get some actual furniture in here, it'll add some oomph and take things up a notch. And as you can see, we still have to paint the barnyard doors and stuff like that. And we're painting those the same color as the wall here in the bedroom. So let's go ahead and jump into this vlog, y'all. Alright, y'all, we trying out another furniture spot. And look what I found. This would be perfect for my bathroom stool. Guess what? It's the wrong color, so maybe I can stain it. I don't know. I don't want to do no work. Tired of doing work. Check out my DIY folder. I've been working. I'm tired. Hello. Fine, thank you. How are you? Oh, look at this. I'm liking this spot, y'all. Look at this shape of this.
Thanks. Make yourself at home. Know we're here to help you if you have any questions.
Oh, this is cute. Look at this chair right here, y'all. It says cigar room written all over it, don't it? King Tut need to look at this for his man cave. Y'all, Terrence, I done lost Terrence. But anyway, I wanted to show him this. This is so cute to me. This bookshelf.
I like that.
Yeah. Oh, look at these lamps, y'all. These are cute. Yes. Y'all, as y'all can see, I took out my crochets and I cut my hair last night and a little bit this morning, so I'm trying to shape it. So now I got to get used to just rocking my natural hair. Oh, I wonder if they give are these free for the customers.
This would be over.
Y'all got me a little magazine. Free for the clients. Give me some inspiration. All right, thank you. Yeah, we'll be Brian. We'll
just appreciate you.
yes, we'll be back, Brian, for the nightstand. Yeah,
There was a few other things in here that was like.
Is that real wood?
It is real wood, although I couldn't tell you what the heck it is.
Yeah, because I was wondering if I could stain it.
Yes, it does.
Cause it's,
You can definitely stain it.
okay, because it's
But
the
I would
perfect
prime that bad-
size.
Well, if you're going to stain it, you'd be fine. But if you're going to paint it, I'd prime that bad boy.
Yeah,
But solid
yeah.
wood, definitely.
Okay, yeah, because I was looking for a bathroom stool, and that's the perfect size. So that might, I'll think on it before we come back.
Pull up, guys, and get to know you.
All right.
How much is this thing?
It's probably a lot. A lot. How much is it?
400?
Yep. Yeah, that's what I thought. A lot. Alright, y'all, so we're up at this new spot. Well, it's not a new spot, but it's new to us in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. Got the Caesar salad. We got a couple of soups and a Reuben sandwich.
I had a Reuben as well.
I mean, it looks better in person than it do on the camera.
2 straws. Make it all
Thank
romantic.
you. Yes.
Thank you.
A little something refreshing.
Tasted it already?
And then my name is Coleman if y'all need anything else. Just give me a
I
shout.
was just about to ask you what your name was.
Just like the Boulevard, easy to remember, right?
All right, Coleman. So it's refreshing.
It sounded refreshing.
Does it taste refreshing?
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
As long as the drink tastes good,
Yeah.
I'm all good.
I'm trying to put you in mind of a mojito.
What up, y'all? What up?
Alright, y'all, so this is one of the recent DIY projects we've been working on in the house. These built-in wardrobes. So we still have to paint the doors. So this is what we were out at the furniture stores looking for. That's the old drawers, okay? So that stuff is coming out of there and into the built-in wardrobes. Oh, watch out for me, Terry. So these are the white nightstands that we got from the furniture store earlier. Let me show you. Excuse the bed, it's not made, okay? Ain't nobody had time. I had to get up and out of here. So we're about to put these in here. Let me show you what the inside look like. This is Terrence's side. Mine is over here on the left. And because we have dresses, you know, the ladies have dresses and things. One side of mine, I have the dresses. So I only need one. Terrence need two, because both of, you know, one for each side. So let's see what it's gonna look like. My room is finally coming together. I got something else coming for the room. Next thing we need to do in the room is we got to replace this door. It's an old door here. So that needs to be replaced. Look, you can tell by the hardware. Y'all have heard me talk about this door. I've showed y'all this door in detail. Excuse me, up close. Y'all look at Ruby Johnson over here. She thriving. Alright, here we go, babe. Get these drawers off the floor in the room. Look. Let me show y'all. We got 3 drawers right here. And then 3 over here on our little lounge area. Our little chair, our little nook. So it's been tight. Oh, snap. There's something right over. Is that a belt or something hanging right there? Oh, you need it to be over a little bit anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, y'all, this is my side of the wardrobe. I need a suite down there. So what happened was they only had 2 in the store. Let me move over here out the way. Okay, here go my side. So they only had 2 of these nightstands in the store. So we had to order one. Let's hope it gets here fairly quick. But we're just going to put this in there just to see how it looks in my wardrobe. But that is going into King Tut's wardrobe for now. So we can get all of his stuff out the way in the room. So we just, look, y'all going to see dirt and everything around, wood, pieces of wood and all that. Because we just put this up, okay? We just finished it off. So you see little splinters and everything everywhere. Alright, let's see how this gonna go. Oh, my slippers down there in the way. Oh snap, let me open up a drawer. Oh yeah, just enough room. Then it can go over to the right a little bit more. Alright. So that's what that's gonna look like. Let me get back. Sorry, babe. Babe, I'm concentrating. You know how it is when you filming. So I'll have a little dresser right there. Are you gonna cut the legs off, babe? Or you just gonna keep them on?
No, I'll take them off.
Alright.
You don't need no legs.
So that's what it looks like when we open up the door. Oh, babe, that looks good. It just takes it up a notch when you have a nightstand or end table or something like that. Some actual furniture in the closet instead of the cheaper options. So that's what we was going for. Ooh, 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 ooh. You gonna put your actual clothes in there tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna start on it at least.
Okay. Babe. Yes, y'all. Finally.